I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us understand how to add integers using number line. Well, you remember the number line is a line which extends from one end to the other with 0 in between, right? So we can write 0 here. And the numbers like positive numbers on the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on the left side, these are negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So that is how we can always make a number line. And now let us understand how to add integers using number line. So the question here is +4 plus -7. So we have to add these two integers, which are +4 and -7. To add these integers, what we can do is, from 0, we can draw an arrow towards +4. So from 0, if you go 4 steps, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, there you are, right? So there, this is +4, right? All the numbers to the right is 4. Now when you want to add -7, adding -7 means drawing an arrow in opposite direction, left. Minus is always left, right? 7 units to the left from the tip of the arrow where you are. So you're at +4. Let's go back 7 units from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is the place you return, okay? So that gives you the answer. So which is this position? This position is -1, -2, -3. And therefore our answer is -3. So these are the steps followed to find sum of integers using number line. Here is a summary of the steps. First step is draw an arrow from 0 to the first number. First number was +4. So draw an arrow, that is the arrow. Second, starting at the tip of this arrow, that means this tip, draw another arrow to represent the next number to be added. So we are adding -7. Minus means left and 7 units. So we went left 7 units. Now continue this process. Here we had just 2 numbers, so we just get the answer after the second addition. Now tip of the last arrow represents the answer. So the position of the last arrow, which is -3, that represents your answer. I hope the steps are clear, right? So let's do these steps once again. Let's first draw a number line, right? There we have 0. Now what are we going to do? We are going to move -5 first, right? So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 units towards left. Minus means moving left, right? So that is the first step. First number is -5, so from 0 we moved 5 units left. Now adding +8. 8 means you have to go, plus means right, and 80 units, right? So you'll go 8 units from here. So that means, let me first make the units on the right side. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us say, right? Now from here, let's go 8 units in this direction, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll reach here, correct? So that is our final position. Now that final tip gives us the answer. So this is the answer. The answer is +1, +2, +3. +3 is our answer. So we can write +3 in this case, right? So steps are move 5 units left, that is the first step. From the tip of the arrow, move 8 units towards right. Right when it is positive sign, left when it is negative sign. That is how we do it, right? Now let's look into part C. The question is kind of tricky. It says when you add -4 to some number, you get -1. So what is that number? This is what we are going to understand now. So that means, let's start with first moving to -4. So from 0, if I move to -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units, right? So this is my first step, moving to minus 4. Now we have to add a number so that the tip of the arrow is at minus 1. Now minus 1 is right there. To come to this position, I have to move right. That means I'm adding a positive number. How much right? 1, 2, 3, right? I'm moving 3 steps right, so the number should be plus 3. So that is how we can get this answer. Do you see that? I hope you appreciate it. Let's go with the last one. Here is a number line. Let me write down the numbers first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left side. Now this is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 5 on the left side. These are negative numbers. On the right side, I have positive numbers. Question is, we have to add some number to minus 5 so that we get 1. Now you know addition is commutative. You can add this or that first. It is the same thing, correct? So let's add minus 5 first. So from the 0 we'll go to minus 5. That is 5 units left. There you are. Now from here we'll move so many units so that we land up at plus 1, which is there. So we have to move right. Right means plus. How many units? 5 and 1, 6. 6. So 6 is our answer in this particular case, right? I hope you understand how we can add numbers using number line, right? So here is a question, practice question for you. You can do minus 6 plus minus 3, right? Find what the answer is. Now a similar question to D, I can write here as add some number to plus 5 so that you get minus 3. Okay, so try this question on your own. Thank you and all the best.